We've just acquired this Range Rover 3 litre V6 HSE Sport. The private plate doesn't come with it. It's in absolutely lovely gleaming black metallic with anthracite alloy wheels. It's got the luxury spec with the keyless entry. It's got the factory fitted side steps there. Mud flaps. You can either open the boot that way to put shopping in, just as a load through, or you can fully open it that way. So you can see the boot area is in lovely condition. Got the mats in there as well, proper Range Rover ones. So we've got electric memory seats, Harman Kardon, full leather interior with armrests. It's done 90,923 miles. Got heated seats, 3-stage, satellite navigation, full audio video, got cruise control, paddle shift on the gears, climate control, different ways of driving it through all terrains, proper 4-wheel drive. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.